come over to Cloud and paste here your prompt. I will share the prompt in the video description, or you can get it from the pinned comment. Now, using this prompt, what you will get is a story for your video, the image prompt, the voiceover, all you get at once. Now here I am also typing that I want all this in a doc file. After this, hit enter and it will generate your file. Now you can download it and see how we get it here. Okay, we got here 10 motivational short stories. So if you want, you can change the motivational story into your what you want. Now here you see that we got the file like this scene and voiceover. So I again upload that file to ChatGPT and ask it to give me only the voiceover here in a doc file. So it extract the voiceover part and give me here. Now what I will do, I copy the voiceover here and then I will visit to 11 Labs. If you want, you can visit to any other voice platform where you get text-to-speech voice, but I prefer 11 Labs and I'm using here it for free. You can see if you come over to 11labs.io, here you can paste your text and you get it. Now what I do, I paste my text and I screen record it. So I don't have to download it again. So I play and screen record the audio here. Now again, come back to the ChatGPT and ask here that you want now only the scenes in a doc file, like scene 1, scene 2, like this. I will share the prompt with you, okay? Now here you can see that it again give us the doc file where we see all the scenes like this. These are the image prompt for all the 10 image. I just copy it and now we will go over to Google's Flow Lab. Here we'll just create a new project and then we will select the image option and the ratio here. Then we will add an extension which name is AutoWhisk in our Chrome browser. Then here we will open this. Now first time you will see a language for Vietnam or something like that, but you can change it to English anyway. Now here you will have to select the ratio and the size and then paste here the text you copied from your doc file. Now you can see we have 10 image and here the all 10 prompt. Now click on play. And now the best part, you don't need to generate all the images one by one. It will generate all the images automatically in bulk. Okay, you can see one by one it's created all the image and download in your folder. So let's come back after our images done. Okay, now you can see we have all our 10 images for our story. Here you can see. So what we will do here right now, you can see, and the best part, we also don't have the watermark here for Gemini, what we got earlier when we try to use them for Gemini anyway. So after all you have, now come over to any video editor. Here I am using the CapCut. I drag the audio file what we recorded earlier from 11 Labs. Then here set all the images according to your audio timeline. You can scratch it by the time. Now if you want, you can give here any effect like this. Just select an image and go to animation. And this way you can give a animated effect in your video image like this, and make sure to adjust the video ratio as it is a short or reel, so we will keep it into 9 is to 16. Okay, now select any of the effect from here. If you want, you can use some other video
Buried in
editor as
darkness,
well.
crushed by weight.
Okay,
This is
so
where
it's
every
look
great
pretty
thing
good.
begins.
So we'll add one by one all the effects here in each of the images. Okay, all done here right now. Now we will go to text, and from auto caption, we'll select generate. Now we see that all the audio is now converted into text. Here you can see. So you can keep it like this, or if you want, you can change the template of text from here to give it look much more engageful and a professional look for your video. So I'll
Buried
select
in
this one.
darkness,
Let's open this
crushed
and
by
see
weight.
how it looks. Okay, you can see
Buried
our
in
video is
darkness,
ready and it's look
crushed by
pretty good
weight.
here. Now, if you want,
This is
you
where
can
every
add
great thing begins.
sound effect and
Most
also
seeds give up in the dark.
background
They
music
stop
as
reaching.
well from
They accept the
YouTube
weight.
library. You will get
But this
copyright free bunch
this
of
one
music. You
pushed,
can keep it here.
not up,
So let's see our
down
video.
first,
Okay, so it's look
building roots
really
no
good,
one
right?
could see. Day
Hope
after
you like
day,
this video today,
no
and
applause,
make sure to share and
no
subscribe.
honors,
And
just
okay,
quiet,
as all is
stubborn
free,
benefit.
so let's start.
Then one
Create
morning,
your
then
channel, create videos, and upload them one by one. Hope you get a good result in future. Thank you.
It wasn't the strongest, but it was alive, and it kept going. Storms came, hard ones, but the deep roots held what the eyes couldn't see. Every storm made it stronger. Every hard season added a ring. What started as nothing became a place of shelter for others. That is growth. You are the seed. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Just grow.